Good morning everyone, I am Kanaya from BCAKO 5th SEM. Today I am here to showcase my project which I made after the 3-day workshop of generative AI which was provided by our college, SEMH. So in this, before creating this AI code generator, I used to face a problem that I had the problem statement but I am not able to generate the code for that. So I have created this AI which will create the generate my code as per my problem statement. So let's test it first. So I am going to generate a problem statement of the traversal of array. How to do it in Java? I am writing the problem statement. So after clicking on the button generate Java code, it is generating the Java code. So you can see that it generated the code of firstly it declared the array. After that it took the user input. If I copy this code and paste it on VS Code or any type of editor which supports Java, it will run smoothly and my problem statement will solve in minutes. I just have to write the prompt for it and my problem gets solved. If it's the more easy way to code when you have no much time for generating our project. So this is my project. This was my project. Thank you.